Hi everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here with Mike's Drones and More, guys. And today, guys, I'm doing a unboxing or a review of a new frame that I purchased. Normally I don't do reviews on frames because normally they just come in a bag, but I was really super impressed with this company, how they put their frame in the box, how it came, and I was just really impressed with their packaging and everything with the frame that I wanted to share it with you guys. So here's the frame that I got. So this is the IFlight XL5 frame. So it's a TrueX frame. So basically it is this frame right here, completely assembled. Now this actually is not the IFlight frame. I didn't know this was a clone of the IFlight frame. Otherwise I would have purchased the original IFlight, but they sent this to me to do a review on, and this has been really my go-to frame right now that I'm flying all my FPV freestyle racing with and everything like that, and I really like this frame a lot, and that's why I ordered a secondary frame. So let's go ahead and turn the camera over here, guys, and we'll take a look and we'll see what's in the box. So as I said, this is the IFlight. This is the XL5. This is a 5-inch freestyle racer frame. So first thing I thought was I really like the box. It's actually quality. Normally when you get a frame, usually it's just in like a bag normally, and you might get some stickers and stuff like that. But I was really super impressed, and that's why the only reason I'm sharing it with you guys. So let's go ahead and open this up. So right off the top, they give you a whole set of stickers. Now, usually when you purchase from the company, usually you get stickers, so that's pretty cool. The other thing I got in here right off the top was the frame assembly. You almost never see this in frames. It shows you exactly how many bolts that you get and everything like that. So yeah, so instructions, that really impressed me right off the bat there. So that's another nice thing. The other nice thing too that came in the box here was they actually gave you, normally you get like one battery strap if you get a battery strap, and they're okay. These are pretty actually like decent little straps. They're not too bad at all. So I don't know if I'll be actually using these or not, but they'll be good as backups, definitely for sure. So that was another nice thing. And then they gave you this extra foam for underneath down where your battery goes to help secure it basically. So that was another nice touch that they put in here. So let's take a look at all you get in here. So here's your side plates where your camera mounts, and it looks just like this on the side here. And then so here's the whole screw set that you get. So that's pretty fantastic. I like that. It comes with everything. It comes with the standoffs and everything that you're going to need, which is really nice. The other thing that they included, I don't know if I'll use these again, but these are these 3D printed motor bumpers or motor guards basically. So they come in this red 3D printed color. Again, I don't know if I'll use them or not. Maybe I'll try them, but it adds extra weight, and yeah, I'm just probably not going to use those. So, but it is really cool that they include these, because normally I think these run like $5 or $6 on their website, something like that. They also give you some little pads. These are 3M pads that go under the arms, so that way when it lands you can put them like that. I probably won't use these. I don't like these, so I won't use them, but they're good to use on other projects, so I do keep them for other stuff. You know, you never know when you need something, you know, extra space or a little cushion or whatever, you know, it is. So let's take a look at the actual, like, the frame pieces here. So you can tell that it's made of really nice carbon fiber. Oh, the other thing that they sent was this is for your VTX antenna. So the VTX antenna will screw basically into the back of here, and then this will go on your standoffs, and so that way the antenna will, let me see if I have an extra antenna sitting around here somewhere. I do. So there we go. So your VTX will come in like this. It'll stand on the standoffs, and then it'll go just like that, which is really nice. This is another little extra that they didn't have to send with the frame, but they did, which was really cool. So yeah, again, I just can't say enough about these guys. I'll definitely be ordering some more frames from them because I like their frames. I like how they work. Here's the arms. You can just hear that it's good quality carbon fiber. It's not, you know, the cheap knockoff carbon fiber. and you can tell if you look at it too, when I'm holding it, you can just see how nice and smooth that carbon fiber is. It's you can always tell when it's a clone usually, because when it's a clone frame, usually like the carbon fiber, it's just you can just tell the difference in quality when you order a clone versus from the actual company. And again, I didn't know that frame was the IFlight frame. Otherwise, I would have originally ordered that from the IFlight directly. So, you know, but you can just tell it's really nice. So this is the bottom plate. Here's the mid plate. So it sits right up on top there, and then you got your top plate. And this is the version 2, and then you can also see too right there, it actually has cut out IFlight, where that one doesn't have it on there. So that's another way you can tell it's a clone. The other way you could tell it was a clone too is on this one over here that I ordered. It didn't have a cutout like this one does for the VTX antenna. Now I won't be using this. It'll actually be using this 3D printed part. But you can mount it up on top there as well. But all in all, I'm really super impressed with this frame. I mean, I can't say enough about IFlight. They really did a good job of packaging this up, and just a superb job. I can't say enough about this company. And again, this is the main drone that I'm basically flying to do all my my freestyle and things like that, and all my racing. And this frame has really held up. I like it because the arms, if you look at the arms, the way that they are manufactured, they actually, when you put them together, they actually interlock with each other, which is nice. So you don't have to worry about that, and they're replaceable. So if you break an arm, you can just order a new arm or a new set of arms, which is nice. So yeah, I can't say enough about these guys. I'll definitely be, like I said, ordering some more frames from them and stuff like that. But this is the IFlight XL5, guys. I was just going to build it and then show you guys the build, but the way that the frame came in, the packaging, everything like that, I was just super impressed, and I wanted to really share it with you guys. So that's the only reason that I shared it. But guys, I hope you liked the video, and I hope you like the short little unboxing here of the IFlight XL5 version 2. I'll put it down in the description link for you guys. You can find these on Amazon. I think it runs about 45 bucks, and if you have Prime, you can get it in 2-day shipping, which is really nice. The other thing I ordered, which was extra, didn't come with it, but these are I'm going to be actually using this camera. This is the Foxeer Predator mini or micro camera. So I'm going to be using this on this new build. So basically this just kind of screws in here, so that way it can fit onto the regular frame, which is nice. So yeah, so guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button for me, guys. I appreciate that. And if you like my channel, if you like my reviews, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below there. And next to it, there's a little bell. If you hit the bell, just let you know when I've got new videos. Have one typically every Wednesday. I'm cutting down on the videos right now just because I'm splitting the channel in half. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And as always, make sure we keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for hanging out. Have an awesome day.